enti enra ana eba panyin captain Kojo Smart ebe kan sembi obi dan say nis mo be kan nyina ye was obi biala obi attack odobroni no ono captain Smart so be attack ni bakro sansem na okan ya busia attack ni bi asa ba bi captain agye ni so sansem na okan no uko media so mo hwe captain Kojo Smart abo so me ma ontirimu no akere wadwen ama me wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say ni ri obe like video no down subscribe button so na ba click notification connect latest update am be chere wadwen de ama me wo comment section me so ba so no a shave no for so enya bi ahwe eti ever since that rumba en odobro na Akosua Serwaa once no eba news mu no captain Smart ejina odobro ni achi pampe o kire mu se certificate ene kura Akosua Serwaa but wanye na said as eyede Akosua Serwaa kura certificate but wanye na said duty was oba aware for a play a man the husband no one playing role it on there or come on no enyeye but kire mu se odobro ni abo adwuma do on kura certificate but wabo adwuma enti captain James say obi biala obi attack odobro ni dia or no captain Kojo Smart or ni ba kuro benya wo Ghana what you say am I so throw share kwa ka say you musa hwan na ku you know hwan na man that do my poison that do man kan ba onyum bi say o ma me poison sumengu you know or say o poison me ensumengu captain James say that nyuma that do my boy no that time why na a man poison indirectly no o kire mu say eye ma me Akosua Serwaa ni group no honomo ana poison pie free ba ye na fa say we na captain Serwaa kan enra no e na buza ko media na so a pascal journalists and other tiktokers abe clash with captain Smart na we ni nsemo omogeka
captain Smart me ameti hey me pegana fufu de abawom e bia na wo followers no omo pe neat fufu de abanim ensem a wo kano wo followers ni e bia omu ntimi deduce anasa omu do to the point say omayi omani ato free ba me ba be church ensem na wo kan nyina mu am ye hu say enipa na wo kan ho asem no o exposing him more than you are trying to help o kan sem bi me show aya me mfa ye nana otumfo edin embem o kan sem bi say on the 6th of December a year na baso na ye nana otumfo eti apakan mu a na ye the injunction no aba ho o pa kire sen na o pa kire ye nana otumfo oyenimdifo eba amamre nso a otiase ye nana otumfo emetena ayi ase there's issues surrounding a year no never onye sa oyo obi a wako school na year so akọ school omo advice nso no be brain so eyem nimdifo esa wa adwen there is no way ye nana eba betena apakan mu abekọ ansem we nyina akoso se ye nana enya time any that lumba kasaya uni maso obebusa na that lumba obeka se me de hye wadi nkwasi asem sebe because o pese o worry bebria anka wankoye ordinance ana o worry toss no sanka ordinance no so no o divorce enti mishremo se wo ka wasem aka wasem ba ye nana onfa ne ho enje sa asem adiwe mu abrekra asem no ewo court asem a wo kan ye no that means you want to undermine the law ye nana otumfo eka asem bi ese asem bi ani ho a obeka ana obedi Ghana court ebetimi adane no mo amadwen ye 2 megabytes no mo ntiase da ba be ba be kire mu ene minim se eno so na wo gina so ana wo de ka asem a wo ka se ye na otumfo eti apakan mu a na wo de injunction naba hwade asem bi a ebekọ ye na otumfo ho no na efa na mambuo ho na efa yamamre ho na efa yamane ho ana ono nso no owo mpanifo a omutunifo ana osa inimdifo so anything concerning yamamre anasa asantemamu yensem mu no eba nanimu a de obeka no edim eye final ukoko to kra na eno ano mbeka cha se enipa tumi kuta no eye otumfo Enti ɛyɛ no korɛ asɛm ɛkɔ yɛ papa anim no wo de kɔ baabi a obedi bem because ɛyɛ ne kuro ɛyɛ ne man ana o ka asɛm wom enti ɔka wi a hwan de bɛka bi ba wo de o pa koku nipa na kɔ yɛ nana anim na yɛ nana nkasa wudi bem ne yɛmfa wo nkɔ court ne yɛnhwɛ de ebesi koku nipa na intentionally uku nipa na enye self defense na ye nana otumfo nkasa wadi bem ne yemfa nko court ne yehwe de ebesi ye nana otumfo nso no onkasa wadi bem da asem obeka no saa na court so beka because ono ode amamre no edi asem no na nimdie nso so a owo about law no ode aka ho enti enye se he will ever go against Ghana ban nemum and most of the ensema ekɔ nanim ni nyinaa no ɛfa na mambuo na obuo ni kromu no ɛyɛ amammerɛ nneɔma ana amammerɛ nso ne yɛwɔ traditional laws nti wɔde saa nneɔma ni nyinaa ka ho na ɔde ka na asɛm nti there's no way a court bi a wɔ Ghana ha bɛ overturn na asɛm because of ensɛm na odi ho asɛm ba wo deɛ kobu statutory law ɛso koku obi koyi obi bi ne yɛnhwɛ sɛ ya nana otumfo e ka kyerɛ wo sɛ wadi bem a ɛkɔ wo bedi bem a enti mehyɛ mo ye kasa mo ma yɛn kasa yi Captain Smart ka asɛm bi or say that Lumba say ɔmfa made da na yire nyem kra ɔmfa made enti Captain Smart asɛm wo yi a wo kan wo dwen ho ko deep ɛsenti asɛm wo beto dwa ye nyansafo yetia ɛde bɛ ne bɛfa firim mama nkyerɛ de me fa firim de me fa firim sɛ that Lumba ne tirimo ɔden pa saa asɛm no ebia na wɔ pa ka akyerɛw sɛ ai ɔdɔ broni ɛyɛ den ɔyɛ ɔba papa no the person ɔkyerɛ no sɛ ɔdɔ broni ɛyɛ afuru pɔnkɔ yes because bɛma bɛn na ne yire ya enyem so wo sika ɔmfa made bɛma bɛn ana ne yire nyem ana ɔwo sika ɔmfa made ɔba nyem na wakɔgyina baabi ka sɛ me yire nyem kra na me mfa made that means say wo tirimo ɔden because adentina ɔba nyem na obema no 9 months no or the 9 months na ye aduane na ɔde yewe na ɔhwɛ nkwara abrekwa wo sika obetimi afa made ɛde be ntia enti saa asɛm na ɔde beto abonten no ɔmo pɛ nit fufu no ɔmo befa ne tra ba me amepɛ Ghana fufu no ensɛm a ɛwɔ mu no meyi apie ama Ghana fo ate ase sɛ asɛm a wo ka no ye nyansafo no ye nim sɛ emboa da Lumba sɛ yampa sɛ ɔba ne nyem na ɔmfa made na ɔka kyerɛ sɛ amohu sɛ Priscilla yɛ ɔba papa no na ɔtwi ne condemn na ɔfa ne sɛ ɔyɛ afurupɔnkɔ enti sɛ ɔnyem sɛ wɔnyem enwoma no bɛsoa which is wrong but then again mameka bibi nkyerɛw asɛm a woka no ɛnyɛ no korɛ mepakyɛw sɛ wowɔ ɔdɔ broni number busa ne sɛ ɔbaa bɛn na ɛbɛ no aduane ma wɔ mo ɔbaa bɛn na ɛba hɔ ɛbɛ no aduane ma wɔ mo no mesrɛw busa no na sɛ busa ne sɛ one of those days that na ɔbaa na ɛbɛ no aduane ma wɔ mo no ɛdeɛ bɛn ne siiɛ you see me mfa nsɛm a yɛnsua adeɛ mfiri mu no mempɛ sɛ mede bɛto dwa because what is the purpose? Yɛnsua hwɛ mfirim ɛnsɛve any purpose but mepɛ sɛ wote aseɛ sɛ ɛyɛ no korɛ sɛ that Lumba time a ɔne ɔdɔ broni ti no so ɔdɔ broni enyim a otimi fa made na wabɛyɛ aduane na ɔkɔ ɔntena fie hɔ enti men fa asɛm bi a ɛmɛto abɔnten a ɛbɛgu that Lumba ho fin ɛsɛ ɔbaa no nyem kra memfa made na wo mfa made nti bɛma wo kasa ase we ankɛyɛ ba minim 100% me 100% ayi sɛ na ɔfa obi ma ne bɛno aduane ma wo mo nti please Captain Smart mento mfuturo ngu yani minim sɛ ɔdɔ broni na ɔdɔ that Lumba ana apɛ sɛ wo defend it but we die wanya de peace you wanted that Lumba to leave this angel and go for an old devil. Me tia same way. Hey, Rade. You know, Bibi. After forget it. They all want to make. Listen, Captain Smart. Daddy Lumba fear hono. Oma obian baho. Oma made in maho. Because on pese amount for behun assetna. Na on the girl nete. Na on pese girl no ebe hun assetna. On the girl nete. It wasn't because say, or no, just say, it's because he knows, say, Nishu Baino, a man for whom the babonting. Captain Smart, Kobusa Odobroni say, Lady Kokona na obenwe janema wo mono. They now oba ho, na ononin that room, but living room, they lady nenwe diane. And then they see what living room ho. That room, babe, busa girl, and say, na ote de ekono aga na kas oh daddy I'm cooking owie ya daddy lumba de ne course ro ne eden ne si wo. He kept people away. Sana amanfo anhu de woye. He didn't want people to know the real person. Charles Kojo Fosu. That lumba, I will forever love that lumba. But we are talking about Charles Kojo Fosu. Don't sit there and act like you know what went on in Daddy Lumba's house. You were not there. But I know someone. Lady Kokona no benwe dwanema omono. Busa Odobroni say one of those days na lady ni benwe dwanema omono. A day in the sea ye. Backhand. Uni backhand. Sense ma kwa de emre. Backhand. Ena meka. The course for the sea ye we don't know. So if someone tells you, say, Shemifie Kessie, if you can say in a mini maid, na menshia obawe and kamiwa, yes, when Shannon ku, but was the girl surviving? The girl was dying. The girl was traumatized. The girl was being abused. Obanyim, our 5. That's a 5 when you na won family da. That means say oba no bu ni so ye fuponko. Say someone nyimu eno man weswa. But me I know say someone was going to the house to cook for them. Yes, someone was going to the house to cook for them. And one of those days, that person witnessed something. No the idea ashena so na wotie nyum. Ana onya call. Ana call ne pause ye enyom no. E pause enyom no a owie call no. Ana ote se kasa bi koso. Na de ohun ye no. Captain Smart, were you there? Me, I don't like to bring certain information out because I won't hear. But for you to say, we wanted that Lumba to leave an angel for the old devil. Hey! Now let me ask you a question though, Captain Smart. If you are that smarter, Bema Ben and the Bejane Ma and then the Yere Ewa Buche for no one personal interest. He made that decision. Because what I realized is at that time on Timin too quiet to say the Obobo Yomono. Eti Altena Germany, Atena hot side with his family no. Now on Pegana. A good is Oban number because Sanko Oban Nebaya still no Uncle one mano. The ono do Brunia one still kebaso. You see, I can't believe that this came out of your mouth. Say old devil. And you have a typical Ghanaian man's mentality. You've spent too much time in Ghana. Abuche no kwa, you don't learn anything there. No masaba. Now Kenya sa, how can you make that statement? Are you crazy? Do you know what Mama Akosua went through? Do you know what Mama Akosua went through? If that lady decides to talk, and you, Captain Smart, as you sit there, you know the true character of that Lumba. You knowing the true character of that Lumba. Now, Baba Tina radio so or TV so now what can they walk no nyame and a new bedi. We are in this country, and we know pa say enipa that's any subani, but because we are star, it's near better now. Then we say something different. If you cannot tell the truth, then keep your mouth shut. In the industry, majority of the people know how that Lumba was. Charles Kojofusu, they know, but they cannot tell the truth. They are taking care of their own. That Lumba is part of show business in Ghana, and he has done marvelous job. Into a per se, ne legacy no ebesei. Metomase. But you cannot do that at the detriment of a lady who was abused, who was neglected, who was deserted, and raising quaratre by herself. We will not allow that. Yeah, allow Sadiano. You have the nerve, and women are listening to you, saying, she's an old devil. Or baby, I would say Captain Smart. As I said, no kind, no, say a normal. No. Let me say, what's our ban? You need to be conscientized. The conditioning, yeah, mama Ghana no. A mama who said no be a normal. Say, Bemet Mitna radio so a catcher. Say, oh baby, angel, and about we old devil. Namote home as a woman, namuti sa no more without finding normal. Let me say more problem. Captain Smart. Information here were more. But me, I don't do my things like that. Yeah, educate your man for peace. Wuni wukunu ho. Na se o mani sika e de ahye mo project a mo ye mu a. Me hyew ohema tie me. Se wuni wukunu ho. Na se ogye wusika e se o de ka mo sika ho e de aye project a. Me pa cho se sika no mane mfa wa account mu. E fa wa account mu mpa cho specify say a dying wusika ana wo de ma no. Never give cash to your husband as on fan project. Oh yes, never do that. Always send the money through a platform. I will be your receipt forever. And baby account no be with my close no. The patcho we are no print e dia to ho. Don't play with your life. Obey sa nyoma we nyina ye wi a yese woni oba bia wan bre wan support financially e me charge apade. Please.
Ubetu atire wadwen amame. E wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Block Media.